Hello everyone, today I'm making a cheesecake for my niece's birthday. So I've got 500 grams of cream cheese that's been sitting out for 3 hours. I've got my bowl here and I have in here, this is one packet of tennis biscuits that I just put in a food processor, and then I added 100 grams of melted butter, blitzed it some more, and there is my base. Okay, put it in. It's that easy. If you don't have a food processor, then simply do it. Put the biscuits in a bag and take a rolling pin and just break it up like that. Okay, spread it out, and then I'm going to press it down hard. Quick, no long story. Okay, I'll make this very quick. I have to do things now very quick these days because I have now a foot. My left foot don't work properly anymore, and if I stand on it too long, then it hurts. So ek moet alles vinnig doen. Or in between I must take breaks. Okay, there we go. So this is going to go in the fridge to harden up. Okay, and then we'll do the next step. Okay, now I'm just going to mix my cream cheese for a few minutes. Okay, here's a tip for you guys. If you have forgotten to take out your cream cheese to soften it on the counter, then all you do is take it out of its packaging, put it in a bowl and put it in the microwave for 30 seconds only, and then it's good to use. Okay, next I'm going to add 2 cans of condensed milk. Remember, this is a double recipe. You can halve the recipe for a smaller cheesecake, no-bake cheesecake. So I'm going to add 2 cans. Okay, I've added my 2 cans of condensed milk, and I'm just going to beat it until it's well combined and smooth. Okay, now I'm going to add the juice of 2 lemons, freshly squeezed lemons. Okay, just going to stir it in a bit, and then I'm going to add in 500 ml of whipped fresh cream, just until stiff peaks are formed. Okay, and I've already whipped it. Here it is. You don't add anything, no sugar, no vanilla essence, as is. 500 ml. Okay, now you add it to your mixture. I don't know, where's my spatula, but anyways. Okay, now we're going to just mix it until it's all combined. You see this? Okay, now I'm just going to go in with a whisk, just to a hand whisk for better control. Just lift whatever's at the bottom I couldn't get to. Okay, show you, nice and smooth. Look at that. Okay, And now it's just a matter of pouring this over into my dish. Like I said, this is a quick one. 1 second, guys. Okay, guys, I'm gonna pour this in. It's already thickening up. One second. And I'm just gonna scrape the last bits out. Okay, guys, so I've got this. Instead of jelly this time or whatever else I put on, I've bought this tropical fruit sauce at Woolies, and I'm just going to pour this over. I still have no idea how I'm going to do it, but I'm going to see. Ooh. I might do a marble effect, depending how much is in here. It smells amazing. It has mango in. I think I'm going to leave it just so. As is. Nice and rustic. Quick and easy. Sorry for my hand, guys. Get every pitchy out. Let's clean off here. Let me see. Yeah, it's that easy. If I'm gonna move around this now, it's gonna turn into marble. I wonder now if I can do anything else. I like adding a bit of color. Let's do a marble. Let's see if it's gonna work. It is. Looky. There we go. This looks fantastic. See, don't be afraid to try. Take that risk. Wow, okay, this looks absolutely beautiful. Nothing else to be added. Don't have to pipe fresh cream, nothing. There we go. There's your summer festive dessert sorted, quick and easy. Wow, that looks amazing, if I must say so myself. Look at that. Oh, daar kom Shelly. Hang net so aan mense. And here it is, guys. My tropical no-bake cheesecake. Easy peasy. Perfect for the festive season and the summer. Hope you enjoyed this video. And I'll be back again with another video soon. Bye, everyone.